Back of the car.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this right here. This little Lotus. Is this matte gray or matte black? Gray. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely, yeah.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. You gotta go over there. Niggas said I was going to.
They don't have this. That's a Lambo right there. See, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
or the orange one.
Orange one, black one up there, another black one.
All these look nice though. It remind me of when Tony Stark in Iron Man 3.
Yeah, when his garage got destroyed and all his cars fell into the water.
Yeah, that orange Audi he had.
Like an Audi is his signature vehicle. Oh, they got the McLarens up front.
So they got the McLarens up front.
Yeah.
That's
That's a
Hennessy
orange black one up there.
And it's a black one.
Yeah. Cute.
See that one right there, that orange Lambo? It's my favorite one. This one right here. This one right here. My favorite one. This one right here. It's my dream Lambo.
I like this one. It's tough.
Or this one right here.
It looks like a classic. I sort of like old fashioned type of neutral.
Yeah. Right.
That's a Porsche.
That's a Porsche. This one too. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, the gray one a little bit better.
I like this one right here.
I don't like that purple. Yeah, it's nice though.
Take a couple pictures of it. It's badass.
Something from 19. Oh, I'll definitely get this. Yeah, I'll definitely get this too. There's some of that Deadpool will be in. Yeah, I'll definitely get this. I'll for sure get this.
He told me that go back over there and see if because I still haven't found the Mercedes.
Oh, they moved the driver over here.
I ain't gonna lie, if they had an F1 Expo here,
Well, huh?
if they had an F1 Expo to showcase the cars and how they were made, bro.
Yeah, like
That's
the
where I
expo
would
was
be
like
at.
inside of one of these buildings.
That's exactly where I would want to be.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Never mind, it's good, it's good. I like this. I didn't even see that little thing on the front, the hood, front of the hood. Nice.
I ain't gonna lie, I got this one on GTA.
You got this at GTA? This one nice too.
Like this is the exact kind that I got.
You inside
What is this?
That's that GT3.
What's McLaren?
Yeah, I know.
McLaren.
This is.
At least it takes it out.
I'm buying Gran Turismo. I'm buying that.
You got something from Asphalt. The Asphalt game.
Oh, the guy doesn't drive it. That's what I'm saying.
No, you can tell.
No, this one's
Drive the shit.
Oh, I would drive the shit out of it. I would drive the shit out of it.
Do not oh my god, it gets
Mercedes.
Maybe I've just never had allergies or anything.
Yeah. We can go, walk all the way down there, then walk towards the middle, towards back that way.
Can't take her out of the kennel anymore because he was during COVID.
Big dog. I ain't gonna, that's the worst one here.
What?
That light blue one. Oh, that light blue is worse.
But these are like the old cars over here.
I'd rather go for something old, or something that's
No, we
newer.
talked like 19 and back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Would you rather go for something like that, or
Absolutely not.
I ain't gonna lie. I could.
I ain't
Like
gonna
that.
I like the way this looks.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's dark. I still don't like darts, but yeah, nice and all. But I still don't like dart. Still don't like no Dodge darts. But Macaulay Culkin.
Huh?
I said that's what he look like, Macaulay Culkin.
Like Japanese inspired cars. I like the interior.
It is definitely Japanese inspired. Oh, look at these rims. See this? That's nice rims, nice rims. Some type of Toyota. I don't know what Toyota this is.
BMW on the side of a Toyota, now that's mine.
Yeah, yeah. That car would probably like 100, 500,
Everyone knows what uncultured swine.
like something like that.
Oh, the price?
Some old, yeah, I was saying the price of that is probably like 500. Some old like that though, I'll probably drive. Maybe.
So they're gonna have.
Trying to go to F1 arcade.
Where's that at?
Atlanta.
When? Right today?
Nah, just like.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
interested in doing it.
Yeah. See this right here? This on top of this on top of this on top of. It's like the car is like old, but it's made new.
It's $20 per driver.
All right. I like these BMWs too. I ain't gonna lie. It's M3.
like that though.
Yeah. Ain't Evan got a Lexus?
Yeah,
His modded out.
yeah, it's loud too.
Yeah. Hey, well, Mazda's kind of cool too.
What?
Certain type of Mazdas. What? Whoa. I know this loud. I like this one too. I don't know, something about small cars.
Small cars ain't for me.
I know why you can't.
Huh?
So yeah, I know why you can't.
I can't fit in. My legs too long.
Yeah. I know Dad would like this. 1,000%. Yeah.
She got her shades on, looking like a girl.
Yeah, the Chrysler. That car. I think that's impressive. I mean Cadillac.
Well, I don't know. Chrysler's got
One of them. Yeah, it's nice. Some of these look like Transformers, low key.
I ain't gonna lie, yeah, you just drive it. I'm gonna get a Decepticon emblem put on the car.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a Decepticon, or yeah. I'm gonna have an Autobot. I don't know. It's something about something about them. I ain't gonna lie, this is too small. I ain't gonna lie, this is too small. It's nice though, but like a Ben 10 was in.
So it's RV.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they did have RV.
Yeah, they drove around in RV.
Oh yeah. That's, it's like car's a little small. What? I gotta block out some of this music. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if it's gonna get copyrighted. What are these?
The stickers. Right on.
See, yeah. Nah, not that one. Let's see that one.
Oh, it's
This
the
one right here.
Oh, it's that one's Iron Man.
Oh, that Gohan one. That Frieza.
Oh, he goes from base Super Saiyan 1 to
Oh, you see the Frieza?
I'm buying that. I'm buying the Gohan one.
I might have to get that Frieza
I'm
one.
buying that Gohan one. That goes from base Super Saiyan 1 to Super Saiyan 2.
That Frieza one too.
Oh, what's the
Rock Lee. Oh, I gotta get a rock.
You're out of curve. You got cash on you?
Yeah, I got cash. We can both get one.
Which one you get?
Rock Lee and Frieza.
That one?
Yeah,
one you getting?
this one and that one.
Can I get two?
Yeah, we both get two.
I want to go home.
Oh, this gentleman right here.
I like that Rock Lee and Arrow.
Trying to. Okay, so. Yeah, can I pay the card? Yeah, card.
Oh, they got
Buy
Aang.
the stickers. Can we buy the stickers? Which one do you want?
I get the Frieza one right here, and then the Rock Lee.
This one and which one?
Frieza and Rock Lee at the bottom right here.
What show is that?
Naruto.
I don't watch none of this movie.
See this Aang one?
Okay. You point that out and there
Oh, they sold out.
So that'll work.
Right.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie.
Just them two? Well,
And the Trunks and the Team Gohan one. That's Dragon Ball Z.
this one and which one?
Right here.
Yeah, I know them two.
I see they got base Gohan, go Super Saiyan 2.
Well, before you pay, you want this big head one?
Yeah, these stickers. Some nice stickers. Some nice stickers.
Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Yeah.
Second I get home, but this John going on the car, bro.
Yeah. Saving these for mine. Yeah. I think I like the other one better. Oh, this tough. This tough.
I got a old.
Yeah. This nice. Oh, he got a Punisher logo on it. Probably not a Punisher logo, but. Something about old cars. Actually, no, I don't want none.
I never had a tamale before.
Then again, I'm not really in the mood to eat nothing.
Yeah, I just wanted to try it. I'm not really hungry right now. First time I really heard the word tamale though.
Well, let's try it, yeah.
Free tamales. Yeah, they're good tamales.
Never mind.
I don't know. No, I'm good.
The junkie bird most likely gonna go.
Yeah.
Staying inside the future trunks is so tough, bro. This version of Trunks, he first came when Mecha Frieza. He first came to when Mecha Frieza came back. Well, when Frieza came back with Mech Parts, and then he killed him.
So you said that version or the you talking about? Oh, that's the one with the sword, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember him from I think it's from Storm or that other Xenoverse game.
Nah, it was like way better. We played Raging Blast too.
on the Xbox.
Yeah, cause it was either one of us will either be Gogeta or Vegeta.
Yeah. I remember me either being Gogeta or Gogeta or I forgot what Vegeta was at.
That's the reason I wanna buy like an Xbox 360 and a Wii, so I can play Wii Sports Resort and Dragon Ball Raging Blast 1 and 2.
Yeah, I low-key need another Wii too.
Cause that
I
intro,
ain't never had a Switch either.
I don't want to switch. Nigga, remember the Wii U? They had the basketball game. You can control it with the stick and actually shoot.
Talking about the one Nana had? Yeah, that's I want that too. It's just I'm talking about the Switch though, like the Nintendo Switch. I don't think I can't do that. This color kind of crazy.
You've got multicolored like marker lights that you change the color.
It's another McLaren. I think McLaren's better than Lambos, except that orange Lambo.
I don't really care. I want to go to a F1 Expo.
Yeah.
If they ever have one in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Or like a museum where they can showcase the various F1 cars. Where they was made and how.
He look like what's his name? Jalen. Not. He look like Jalen but with dreads. Broadneck. What you was saying though?
Just me yapping about F1 cars.
But now, yeah, we gotta go to the. I think it should be one in where'd you see that one at?
What, the F1 Arcade? Yeah, it's in Atlanta. Like, it said, I was just looking on the website. It said like $20 per driver. It's like a
Yeah, that's kind of
like basically an arcade.
right. And then you got Sonic and
Yeah, that Mustang probably the best Mustang over there. Probably gotta bring some mods to the cars. Gotta motivate Dad to mod his
It's already green. You got it. Like the carbon hood.
carbon.
The carbon hood, I like that.
Oh, the hood. I like the lip.
Better than GT4.
So,
That's a good piece of meat.
probably because of the way it looked. Probably because of that.
yeah, I was shocked when I got arrested in Clayton County. Bro, that was the worst experience ever, bro. That was the worst experience.
That Porsche. I don't know about white rims. White rims on this though. Camaro. I love Camaros, I ain't gonna lie. Trying to go over there.
Well, honestly, I don't know.
Oh, this stuff right here. It's a Corvette. It's a little bit.
You got like vibrant colors. Red, black, and green.
Snake type of. Oh my god, that pink is so.
That's a GT3 right there.
So Ford. Oh, this a Mitsubishi. These Mitsu something. Mitsubutsu. Subaru. Hold on real quick. this color. You got mixed feelings about this. They need to make the rims black.
Well, nah.
You don't think so?
I like it like that.
The way it brings out the color or something.
I don't know how to describe it. It just looks good. But I wouldn't rock it. It looks good, but I wouldn't get it.
Yeah.
It's not me. I like that though.
It's a Chrysler. Yeah, this Chrysler. Always like Chryslers. Chrysler is tough. They got the gold on it. Oh, he got the
Bro, we don't want no drag back.
That's so tough. Say, you know how I got the skate game. He got the movie scene on it and the interior is like. He got the interior like it too. That's crazy. Oh yeah. Everything about this is tough. He got all the. He got. It's a Joker car for real, for real.
They got Batman and the Killing Joker.
They even got the Killing Joker. See, it'll be more tough if he had the Batman who laughs on here. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this is the best car here. And he got it, yeah. It's the best car here. It's the best. It's the best.
I wanted to see that color a little bit.
Everybody's like, hey, get the Charger, get the Hellcat.
His Hellcat might be the best. His Hellcat definitely the best one. Sure.
I just seen the dude with you remember Dyer Whoopie Kid, the loader diaper t-shirt?
Mm-hmm.
I want he got that on. I want one of those. These are tough.
Oh yeah, you can get them on Shein. I want one too. I just wish. Let me see. That painted, nah, right in the spot.
This I like this right here.
Yeah. What is this?
I want to do it. This one I do all the coding and
Safety. That's exhausting. Still, that Joker Hellcat, the best one. On curve. What I see next.
Like snowboarding.
think I think they got some snowboarding thing. I know they gotta have some snowboarding thing in Atlanta. Some shit.
No, they do. A lot of state.
Oh well. We can still fly to somewhere they got snowboarding. Probably in Virginia. Through all the mountains or something. That Camaro too. Nice little Camaro. Got a thing for Camaro. I think they over there drag racing.
Nah, they just letting their car stay. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Eventually, I'm gonna try to clear out the back of my Honda and get like put a bigger speaker back there.
Some 808s.
A 212, something like Dame got. Yeah, I know what I'm looking for. I just gotta grab some money.
Yeah. And to really like if you really think about it, like most of it's like, well, you can still like make it look cool like for less, but like eventually like some gonna cost at least like $400.
Yeah, I'm expecting that.
But that's when like I guess the saving come in for it. You already know what I'm finna do when I get my black Toyota. Alright, I'm gonna make it like all black.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mat it out eventually, maybe. I'm just saying. This, like, see the old cars. Like, even though it's like not much room in the back, like, it's so tough. This on Sam Wiki will get.
They took the back out.
Nice little Hyundais.
Let it down.
Nice little Hyundais.
This is like either the year before or after mine, most likely.
Yes, yeah. This one too. I walk away from the music. I gotta get away from this music.
Well, you and I were talking about that. Like, there were people parking at the like 2 suites.
Yeah, I never got that far.
But then we heard from the guy, this police officer, about, you know, why did you make this not here?
Yeah, bro, me too. I'll pay something you're saying. Yeah.
Make $1 on the penny?
I love this. I love this.
Alright, we already been over here.
Yeah. I ain't see this car though. Outfit is crazy. Oh yeah. Cosplay.
Don't like me, Bob.
He has like 7.
Everything was sealed like this.
Nah, in the middle of the mall.
With like, you know, a couple ramps.
Out on the inside of like the entrance.
But it's also because of their fault as well, though.
These 3 cars at the same spot every time.
Yeah. These some rare cars too.
There he is.